future of China's internet finance sector still remains unclear. After months of rapid growth, the industry may take a hit now. The country's central bank is concerned about how third-party banking platforms are affecting traditional lenders. Zhang Tao has the story.
The central bank recently released a consultation to major banks of regulations that would restrict single transfers to third-party payment platforms to no more than 5,000 yuan and imposed a monthly cap of 10,000 yuan on any one person's use of the payment platforms.
The
draft rules are sending a signal that neither the central bank nor commercial banks are happy with the fact that people are using third-party payment accounts as their major investment or spending accounts. They think the traditional offline banks or finance companies should still hold people's main accounts.
But for frequent Taobao shopper like Zhang Kan, who is looking for a pair of imported shoes, it will be difficult to buy his favorite if the regulations are implemented.
It will have a big effect on me. If the ceiling is 5,000 yuan, I can't buy many things, because many things in daily life are at a higher price than that. I don't know, maybe I will pay them in traditional ways, which will be inconvenient, and I will have to transfer money from my Alipay account into my bank account.
Both Alipay and Tencent began internet finance ventures last year by offering high rates of return on deposits. But their wealth management products, Yuebao and Li Caitong, dropped from 6% last year to the current 5% in terms of annualized return rates. As most fans of these products are return-oriented, once they find investment returns falling further, they could well rush to withdraw their money all at the same time. Another expert says regulators have to control that risk.
The regulators think that internet finance services are mainly in business with small transaction and small risk, while traditional banks handle the big ones. And they also want to put internet finance back into the supervision environment under which the traditional banks are now.
Last month, at least 3 commercial banks refused to accept interbank deposit from online finance service providers who were asking high interest rates on money collected through their third-party payment systems. That followed the central bank's calling a halt to plans by Alipay and Tenpay to issue virtual credit cards online. Zhang Tao, ICS4 CCTV, Shanghai.